What's going on, everybody? It's time to Forex it up. Yeah, this is for Monday, July 24th. All right. Yeah, this right here, I think it was like H1. Let me see. Yeah, type 1 on H1 right here. Broke all of that. So if it come back there, we could take that. Nothing on M15, M5. And then 1. Alright, so now it should be about 7:30. That's what that big pop was. Oh no, it was 8. That's fine. I mean, look at this. Nothing really going on right there anyway. Yeah. 809. Okay. So at this point it's after 8:12. So I just watch and I wait for the market to open. You know, because anything in between 8:12 and 8:30 to me is kind of just like I'm chancing it. I've been in puts. I mean, I've been selling valid setups. Market opens, kicks me out. Same thing with buys. And it's like, had you not did that, you could have been up. You know. Market's just buying. Well, now it's selling. Alright, so we sold here. Bam. I mean, honestly, this is kind of ugly. Like, it's no legit. So for me, well, you could take sales here, actually. But for me, it would have to come here. Yeah, it would have to come in there somewhere. And then I would be like, alright, I can take sales. All the way. Oops. I don't know why I'm having trouble. All the way there. 40-point popper. Alright. This is still valid. Let me show you why. Stop loss is 14. And that's 22. Alright. So if you were in it, and at this point, let's see, 39. 19, yeah, stop loss. I get kicked out. Honestly, I would have got kicked out. We went all the way down here to 20, 39. Yeah, I'm up 19. I would have been kicked out around the 30, but we'll just put here. So this trade technically almost got took out, but it did not. I mean, this is just what comes with it. You know, sometimes things work perfectly, and sometimes they don't. You know, sometimes they don't. So what did we get? We broke this. Really? Alright. Oh, I forgot. Let me put the win for 10. So starting the day off of 10. Alright, now let's see what else we got. Dang. Woo, look at that. That would have hurt, man. That would hurt. I think that actually did happen to me. I think that did happen too. But it's okay. Go here. Alright, so this might be valid. Might be a valid type 1 mini. Because you broke here. You just have to be willing to accept that big yeah. I'll put it there just to play it safe. That big you'd have to be willing to accept this big stop loss. 34. Yeah, I'm not. Alright, 32-point stop. Okay, it's looking like actually it might not even come to you. Yeah, it did not. And that was on M5. So we skipped ahead. But honestly, look at that. We didn't miss a thing. Okay. Since this was our supply, I would say, and honestly, I think this is a retail pattern. It's basically moving up like that, and then price is supposed to tank. So I would say if price breaks here, we've got an entry. Alright, and we're trying to clear all of that. So if price breaks where we at, we in there. Alright, we in there. We are in there. And we'd honestly be out. What was that? 3? Yeah, we'd have been out. Why? Because 3 and 12 is 9, and me being me, that'd have been close enough. So this would have been, because I'd have set it like right there, and then as you can see, price hit it. So it probably would have broke me out at 0. So I'll just put break even actually. Yeah, price does that. I like to set. I set my stop loss like 1.5 to 2 points higher than what I want. That way, if price comes blowing through it, it doesn't, you know, if it kicks me out, if it takes more, it'll still be close to what I wanted. Versus me wanting 20, set it at 20. Now I got 17 or 18 because it hit so hard, you know. But yeah, so that's let me move that up. So break even, so that's nothing. We got nothing on that trade. Look at that. Came back. Alright, let's see. Can we get anything on? No. Yeah, at this point I'll probably only be able to take buys because it didn't clear that. So we just playing like in all these zones. I was gonna say we could take potentially, but I guess it was a good thing I couldn't pause it in time, because you probably would have, you probably could have made some money, but you'd have like got out right there or something, set a stop loss or break even, something like that. Because this probably was only like 12. This is M1, so these long these long bars be looking like they something, and then you check it and it's like, oh, that was just 6 points. Let me draw this for you. That's liquidity that got swept. Don't know what that is. Yeah, liquidity got swept. Now it's coming back. That's crazy. Nothing sexy really. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. Nothing. It's only 12, so you can still catch something. Maybe. Alright. No, never mind. I was gonna say where we broke this. Oh, no, okay. Still waiting. Yeah, it didn't hit. Did not. Technically, yeah. I mean, this broke that, but it tapped that, so I would have been like, no. We did break that. Okay, we broke all of that. So, another option is here. And then you would just target all of that. Yep, you would target all of that. Or because I mean technically it's right here too. Broke there, and then you can enter here. We'll see. We will see. I mean, it's looking like it ain't trying to come back down anyway. Alright, hold on. Price comes in this area. I would sell. Here. Yep, that would be TP, full TP. Alright, dang, so I just said it and this got me in there. Okay, so let's see. We are up. Stop loss right there. Let's see. Now let me mark this too so you know why. So this was valid for me because we broke that. Yeah, low, high, low, high, which broke that low. It didn't tap into nothing here. As you can see, it missed that wick, and then it came back. Came back up a little bit, broke this, so that's like the double confirmation, and then it came here, bam. And this sale is only valid to here. Stop loss got hit, so we missed out. Honestly, sales were valid to here, so I should have got out plus 13, but instead got greedy. Oh man, it took 4. I mean, but a win is a win, so we shall take that. Yeah, and we getting ready to close out the day. Yeah, because it's looking like it ain't much left. Price tapped here. Oh nope, never mind. I broke through that. This is it. If price doesn't hold here, it's over with. Yeah, it didn't hold. Oh nope, never mind. It did. And this is about to be a W. I'm not moving this over, but there you go. Now let's be real. All right, so price tapped here, came up, and we were up how much? 8. Damn. I might have played. It depends. I might have played either that or I would have set the stops up to walk away with at least like 2 points, because I'd have been like, and it's just like trade number 3, break even plus 4. I don't want to lose money, but there are times in which I do hold. I would just say honestly, even up here, stop loss definitely was here. So even though this is up 35, I ain't catching that. I'm definitely out there because I wouldn't have been trying to, you know. Then it, yeah. I'll just be real. That's not even paper traded. I mean, that's not even fake it. Yeah. So we just took 9. Okay. But it's running. Still running. So while it's doing what it does, it hit TP too. That was TP. So it hit TP, and then it's coming back down. Is it gonna come back and test here and then take off? Maybe. Or it might just keep tanking. I said it should come about here. No, actually, it might come there. Yeah, right up in there. But then, as you can see, okay. So it came here and retested a little bit, then it tanked. But this is after 2 anyway, so it wouldn't even matter. We're done. We're done. All right, so today we only up 13 points, but a win is a win, baby. All right, so any questions or concerns, let me know. Like, subscribe if you learned something. Essentially, I just trade high and lows, but I like simple setups too, you know. So high, low, high, low, high, low. But I'm not taking this because even though it broke this high, it didn't break that. And this order block, the job for this was to break, which it did do, which let me know that it should come here, tap, and then come back. But I'm still not taking that because, as you can see, this, while it left liquidity, tap there. That's just an example though of how I do it. But all right,